G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of David's RC Garage, and today we're going to be able to look at this HSP car. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so as you can see, it's a normal box all the way around. I've seen this before on the last car. Inside this one is a drift car. Let's get out of the box. Alright, so in the box, get some stickers. So all have to come out to disconnect the car. Also got instructions and some shock spacers, as well as their basic charger. Here's the other way. Okay, so radio is just their standard job. I've had no problems with these radios, so that's all fine. Okay, and there's the car. So that's their standard chassis, like the off-road one. It is slightly changed for the on-road, but the drivetrain and all that's the same. You can't really see without the body off, so get the body off now and have a look underneath. Okay, so as you can see underneath, basically the same as the buggy. As I said, that chassis is slightly different. It's all flat at the front rather than having a kick up. You've got the bigger bumper, different shock towers and shocks, narrowed arms. Battery comes included, of course. And it comes with these drift tyres that, yeah, I've watched a few other reviews. There's like this bit on the outside is rubber, and this side's the plastic part. So see how they go. This feel nice. All the standard brush gear. Once again, their radio system, I've had no issue with the buggy. I've had it out a few times now on the track. So there, that's the chassis. So what I'm going to do now is get it charged up and get it out and give it a run and see how it drifts. So see you out there. Alright, so this is before I take it out for its first run. Decided to give it just a very gentle run in. Of course, these tyres don't have any grip, well really, they're just going to slide. So I'll let the motor free rev. And while it probably shouldn't cause the motor any damage, I just wanted to give it a few minutes. Just sitting this like this, I just turn the controller on and move the throttle forward just so it's gently rotating. And you can hear every now and then the motor will just sort of cut for a second, or was doing. There it goes. That's just the brushes seating in, everything's settling in. So I'm going to stop this in a minute, give it a quick blast with some motor cleaner spray in the can slot. Even though it is, like the off-road one, it is sealed, but still a little bit in there. I'll use it then just go up a little bit. That's just the brushes slowly seating in. So I'll continue with this, and next thing we see out, we'll give it a run.